Flexium is a nutritional supplement that you must take to strengthen your joints, bones, and muscles. It contains hyaluronic acid, glucosamine, carboxyphytamine, and shark cartilage that have a wonderful effect on relieving joint pain, arthritic discomfort, and pain from injuries. It also contains vitamin C that encourages the production of collagen. Indications: Flexium is a medicine for pain and inflammation of bone and joints. Flexium is recommended for the relief of pain in case of acute and chronic inflammation of bones and joints, painful conditions of the muscles, joints, and spine, trauma caused by accidents or sport injuries without open wounds, bruises, sprains, or strains. How to use: Flexium gel 10% 3 to 4 times a day from 2.5 to 5 cm gel on the painful area and make careful massage in the whole area. Flexium cream 10% has the effect of refreshing cooling effect if the gel is not desired. 3 to 4 times a day from 2.5 to 5 cm cream on the sore area and make the whole area carefully massaged. Contraindications: You are allergic to any of the ingredients of this medicine. If you are allergic to other medicines for pain and inflammation of the bones and joints. On damaged skin. This medicine should not be administered to children, since safety and efficacy has not been yet studied in this group. Then you have to be extra careful when taking Flexium. Avoid use on open wounds, eczematic skin, or in case of allergy of the skin. Contact with the eyes and mucous membranes should be avoided. The systemic absorption in the body increases when the drug prolonged and/or is used on large surfaces. Therefore, this should be avoided. Precautions: Special caution is needed if you have problems with blood clotting, high blood pressure, or severe heart disease, a stomach ulcer, inflammation of the intestines, severe renal or hepatic disorders, or if you are taking tablets to reduce water retention, medicines that stimulate urine output. Do not swallow. Treatment duration should be no longer than 2 to 3 weeks. Side effects: Like all medicines, Flexium have side effects that some users may experience. Local allergic reactions may occur sporadically in the form of redness, feeling of burning, skin rash, swelling of the skin, itching or blistering. If such reactions occur, the use of the product should be stopped. Undesirable effects with the oral ingestion of anti-inflammatory drugs can also occur. This is especially the case with long-term use and/or use on large quantities. These are mainly gastrointestinal and kidney complaints.